Uh, what's up, guys? It's a long time no see. This is Coding Cabin, and at the request of my girlfriend, I'm going to be posting a video about making a falling sand simulation. So why don't we get right into what we're actually going to want to do. So I'm making this in Python with Pygame. I was thinking about P5JS because the coding train has a really good YouTube video on this, which actually inspired me to make this the project that I was going to do. But I don't really know P5JS, and I still remember Python Pygame. So what we're going to do is we're basically going to have a window. That's a great window. And we're going to have it in sections. And for each I'm not drawing all of that. We're just gonna have a state, and it's gonna be a 1 or a 0. If it's a 1, it's sand. If it's 0, it's not sand, right? And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna run through all of these, and if it's sand, it's just gonna move down 1, unless it's at the bottom, in which case it's not gonna move. And for all the intelligent people out there, no offense if you didn't think this, a lot of people are gonna realize, wow, that seems really unoptimized, and yeah, it is. But we'll figure that out. Step one is we gotta open up our command prompt. We gotta pip install Pygame. Yeah. And then we also gotta open up the Pygame references. Ooh, yeah, you can see I was looking at P5JS. Wow. All right, Pygame references. Okay. Let's just get the let's grab this. Throw that bad boy right in there. See, this is how true coders actually solve problems. You click on quick fix and go to the one that says ignore. Oh yeah, now that's how you code like a real man. We're gonna locate to oh shit. You know what? It'll work. Program. That is not what it's under. It's gonna be under programs, and then we're gonna Python falling sand. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We made a window, and it closes. All right. So let's get down dirty. 1280 by 720. We're gonna have a variable that says block size, and that's just gonna be 10. So we're gonna divide it into 10 sections, and let's figure out how to draw some lines. Shit. I mean, damn it. Draw a line. Damn, I'm so good at this. Alright. Line, surface, color, start position, end position. Let's try this out. Where's our surface? That is not. I'm really hoping this is a surface. Where's our thing? Here it is. Okay. Gotta close this. We don't need this right now. Pygame.draw a line. Screen. Color. Okay. No, that's cool. We're gonna do 2 by 5. That's white. Start position and end position is just gonna be like, I think it's like a tuple. Draw a list. Tuple, int or float, Okay. We'll just do like 10 to 200. There we go. All right. We're in business, baby. I don't know why it's not white, but one step at a time. Let's make the background white. Let's see if that's still blue. Okay, it's still blue. No, that's cool though. That's cool though, because we're just gonna do that. Oh wait, it's gotta be black. Oh yeah. All right. Shit, where's that fucking command? There we go. All right. That looks great. All right. All right, and now this is a pretty simple part. Making a grid. How are we gonna do that? Let's make a def grid draw. That's not what I said. Grid draw. It's gonna take block size. Size. Yeah, it's gonna take a size and width, height. Yeah. We're gonna create some constant variables up here with equals 1280, height equals 720, and which gives us width, height. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright. Taking a lot of brain cells right here. So how do we want to do this? Let's approach it like this. Let's go columns first. I know I changed a lot. I'm actually writing comments now. 4. I in range. Where you go from 0 to... Alright, we're gonna do 4i in range. We're gonna go from 0 to like past width. Oh shit, I don't know what I just did. And then probably by iterate by size. Yeah. That should do. Pygame.draw line. Alright. Screen 0. Sorry, my mom's texting me. 10. No. Pygame draw the line. So how do we want to draw the line? We're probably gonna want to draw the line on the screen. Number 1, we're gonna make them black. We're gonna go where's my MS Paint? Down each one, so we're gonna plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 all the way, right? So the top coordinate is gonna be okay, top coordinate's I. The Y would be 0. 2 I, the Y would be the height of the screen. And let's just comment that out, get a reference going. Grid draw. What do we say? We said block size, width, height. Alright. We're in fucking business is what we're in. So, the only problem is we are kind of drawing. I don't know. You know what it's been. I like it. We just basically do that for the same thing now. So, we're going to go. That was an error there. We're going to go for I in range. From 0 to height now, and it's going to be step the size of width. Pygame.draw line screen 0. And then it's going to be 0 I to probably width here, and then I. All right, that's looking good. It's looking good. All right, we got a grid. Shit. And like I said, I wasn't good at this. Let's draw some squares. Draw direct. All right, it's already here, and I lost it. Fuck. Rect, surface color, and then the rectangle. All right. Rectangle to draw. Okay. Um. Shit. Okay, I think if we just do like a rect, if we just do Pygame.rect screen 0 and a rect of the freaking 0 0 10 10. I don't know if that's it. Maybe a Pygame.rect. Okay. Alright, I'm looking at nothing. I'm looking at fuck all here. Shit, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Okay. Not to panic. I know exactly what's happening. It is because we didn't I actually have no idea why I didn't create that. Dude, what? Did I just not see it? Okay, no, I'm just not. It's not working. Why are we not working? Why are we not working? Come on, man. Let's do 100 and 100. Make it bigger. That'll work. Alright, didn't know why that didn't work the first time. 0 0 10 10. Maybe I'm just dumb and I can't see it. Oh, that wasn't there before. That was not there before. I swear. Okay. That's pretty simple now. Now all we have to do is everything else. So we're gonna select. Let's get a little powwow. Delete. What the fuck? Delete. Okay, there we go. Let's get a little powwow going. We're gonna go probably for a. I don't even know, man. How would I even want to approach this? Probably like an array. If we have an array of, the width. Yeah. If we have an array of the width times the height full of true or false. Right, okay, we have that array of true and false. What would we want to do? We could just move it, increment it by height. Let's just try that. Let's just get an array going. Let's call it block array of equals. Yeah, let's do it inline false for underscore in range, and then it's gonna be width times height divided by block size. Okay. And then obviously with height. Alright. Now we have a block array of that, and then let's just shit, bro, I don't even know, because we would now have to index it for each one and then draw block array. So what we could do is grid draw def block underscore array underscore draw, right, and then size. And then we probably shouldn't take these variables since block arrays. Yeah, let's not take these variables. We're just gonna take size. That's it. Since block array is a fixed length and it's never gonna change throughout this, I don't want to take any size variables that might not be true. So Though it does kind of make everything else redundant. It doesn't matter. Whatever. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. I think we could loop through everything here and then just draw it. So, alright, you know what, let's make the columns. What's rows? There we go. Rows second. So we make the columns here, step through it by the width. Shit. How should we approach this? So we have an array of some size that we want to basically iterate through and then draw at that index. So what we could do is we could do the age-old trick of I think it's like for I in range of something. It's the width with the size step. The index of the array if we then go through x and y here, or y in a range, height, size, step, it's just going to be block array of x times y. No, it's like x times width plus y. I don't know, let's just call that. Let's just see if that throws any errors. Oh shit, you know what we could do is we can do block array and then test, and then we could do array equals true. There we go. And then we could do that here. Yeah, alright, so we're not on lock. Wrapping in an int. It's a pretty good solution here. Wrapping in an integer. And then there was no, okay, shit. Oh, I didn't even call it. Okay. Block array draw. There we go. Yeah. Size done. I swear I can code. I swear. Dude. Okay. Alright. Look at us go. There was, okay. Oh my god. There was no call. I'm gonna kill myself. There's no width. So why aren't you even throwing an error here? Alright, I literally have no idea. Oh, what a disaster. If block array of shit, I don't even know, dude. I can step through it, add by y, and then bug. Alright, let's just step through it a little bit. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. That's smart. That's smart. That's smart. Alright. That's totally not a good idea. Yeah. I have to wrap these in int calls. Or casts, whatever the fuck you want to call them. Alright. Yeah, I don't know. Oh my god, this is so bad. Okay, I have an array. I only want to do is I want to step through it. So let's just, you know what? You know what I can do is I could just stop trying to be fancy and I can make it an embedded array. So I could do let's just do this. Let's do this. This is so smart. Check this out. An array. Okay, and this is gonna be columns. So this is columns here. So false for underscore in range. Integer width. No, this is columns. This is columns. So this is shit. Now I'm organizing this by rows. So this is rows. So this is the width divided by block size. All right. And then I'm gonna have that, and then I'm gonna have a for underscore in range of the integer of height divided by block size. And then you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print the block array. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's cool. All right. But did you print? Yeah, 72. Okay. So that's 72 by 72. Okay. Yeah. So this is. It should be easier to work with now. So it's just gonna be that, and then it's gonna be block array x of y. It's gonna be just if, and then that won't print anything, but if I do like array of 10, kind of obsessed with 10s today, I don't know why. Yeah, it's out of range because I fucking suck. Okay, it's gonna be indexed by this, so it's gonna be height first then, and then width. Let's do 12, and then let's just do print the x and y, so x and y, x and y. And it's just gonna be 10, 12. Yeah, okay. So it doesn't really matter, if it's, yeah, it actually really does. I was gonna say it doesn't matter since it's a cube, but it's not a fucking cube. So we're gonna index by the y, which is what we step through, and then we go through the x. Okay. This should still give me 10, 12. Okay, yeah. And then all we do here is we do Pygame.drawDirect of the screen with a 0, Pygame.rect 0, 0. Block size. Yeah. Yeah, why the fuck didn't that work? I never call it. Okay. Uh, 10. Yeah, there we go. Oh, what the hell? 10, 12 should give me. Oh, okay. X times size, and then y size. There we go. Okay, and then just to make sure this is actually working right, we're gonna do the x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 0. So it should be 1 to the right. Nope, it's 1 down. All right. All right, it's 1 to the right. There we go. 1 and down. I don't even know what fuck about. Okay. So we have that done. Now what do we want to do? Make a fall. The whole point of this. All we do for that, pretty simple. One more function update, underscore block, underscore array. What size? Stop! I hate you. Stop. Stop. Shit, we step through it. If it's that, then we just... No. Oh, God. We can't update it, or it's gonna... Oh, God, we're gonna need two block arrays. This is so unoptimized. Block array 2 equals block array. That copy. There we go. That's that's fucking beautiful. Now what do we want to do? We want to update block array into block array 2. So we want to step through block array. This is so bad. This is so bad. Step through. Okay, step through block array. Oh my God. Okay. Stepping through block array. Now what do we want to do? We want to increment it by 1. So every time, so block array 2 of y and x is going to equal wait, shit. Fuck. Block array 2 of y plus 1, yeah, of x will now equal true. Okay, and then block underscore array equals block array 2 dot copy, and this isn't gonna work the first time, but I wish it would. So now what we do is we do update block array. So why do I define a variable just to not use it? I don't understand that. I don't understand why I ever do that. Cannot access a local variable is not associated with a value. Fuck off. What do you mean? Unbound? Block array. Oh shit, okay, my bad. Global block array. There we go. Yeah. Oh my fucking God. Okay. Why index out of range? Yeah. Try. I don't think this is it. Is it try in this? Yeah, except. There we go. Oh my God. Alright, little potty break and I'm back. I know exactly what I need to be doing. No, I don't. I have no idea. Block array 2, block array 1. The top one has to not equal something. But it can't. I can't retroactively update it. Also, why does it move there? Why are we doing that? If I do +1, does it go diagonal? Fuck it, might as well be. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're fucking kidding me. It's stuff through it like that. I don't understand. Whatever. No, that's totally not whatever. Falls for the width. So I go this way. And then I create rows of that. So I need to go a step through the rows of that. And I need to step into one of those and then increment it. And then I need to render it. I need to render it. So I need to go. Oh my god, I'm losing my fucking mind. I create rows. I create rows of that. So it needs to be X size, Y size. And I just need to get better at incrementing and creating. Okay, but what did I just break here? Right, Y needs to be +1 now. Yeah, okay. There we go. Right. For Y, yeah, I'm limiting this to like fucking 20 FPS, like 10 FPS, I don't even care. Why does it do, it's because we're never changing it. But I can't update the top one in case there's sand on top of the top one. Block array each time needs to be a new. Is there like an erase? Oh, that's actually so smart. I'm actually so smart here. Block array 2, block array clear equals block array, not copy, because I can't imagine recreating it would be faster. And then block array 2 equals block array clear dot copy. There we go. And the block array clear will never change. And I forgot to make constant variables. Okay, I'm gonna fucking kill myself again. Block array 2. There we go. Oh my god. What the hell? That shouldn't happen. I don't know why that happens. That really did nothing, huh? Wow. Okay. It really needs to update. I don't know why it's not. Okay, we update it, so we draw it. And it's just a block array. And then we update it, right? And when we update it, we step through. If that's true, we update it in the mono one. And then I imagine the top one needs to be false now then. Of the one we're actually at. Because fucking Python won't let you change anything. What do we miss? Is it too slow? I mean, too fast? Okay, it's just not doing anything anymore. What? What? Hello? Where? What? Oh my god. +1. Block array, Pygame, block size. Dude. No, this isn't cool anymore. I don't get it. It should be 0. It should be it should start 1-0 and move down. Are we not moving down? Is that it? Like, no, it's definitely moving up now. It needs to move down. Move down. Why does it do that? I don't understand. Yeah, sorry. Editor's note here. Literally just gonna throw this clip right in here. I'm editing the video. I kind of like it solid maybe like 20 minutes of me struggling on why it just wouldn't go down. So what you'll see, I solved it. I just decided to draw the block array flipped so that basically it's moving up. It just is drawn so that it looks like it's moving down. Yeah, it was like 20 minutes of me figuring out how to try and do that, and this video is already pretty long and gonna dull, but you know. Wow, I'm a genius. I don't understand why that happens. Okay, let's do this. No. It can't even do that. We can't even do that though. Let's do 71. 71, because that's not out of range. Let's yeah, let's do 71. Let's start at 71. Let's bump it back to 60 so it's not painful to watch. Or I should just do 30. Right, okay, and then let's cap it. So if it right, and then we have a couple rolls we have to check. So if y equals 71 or or block array 2 of that y minus 1 x. So if either of these are true, not, and then if either of those aren't true, and then our little guy here, let's just let's make him a permanent thing. So block array of 0 equals true. So now he's simulated in universe. That was so cringy what I just said. Yeah, right, I broke it. Oh my fucking god. If it's neither that or that, what? Dude, am I just fucking dumb? No, that'll just always return false. If y equals 71. Oh. Dude, I'm just dumb. If y equals 0. And it'll just disappear. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So now instead of disappearing, what I want to do is I want to just revert this. So then this just stays constant. So now it's okay. So now it's there. And then what happened to our other guy? Probably 1, right? Yeah, that worked. I don't know why there's 2 of them, but it worked. Shit. Wait, what am I doing here? else. There we go. Okay. Right. Now where's our guy? It probably fell. So it's probably 1 here. It's gonna be a 1 there at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, that worked. Alright. Boom. Falling sand. Pretty simple now. All we gotta do is mouse clicks. Let's go. Mouse click. Fuck. I don't know how to do this. No. I want to do event poll. What are we doing here? Event I get. Alright. I don't know, dude. Pygame not event to get? Where's get? Get events from the queue. Returns event instances. Dude, I don't know. Oh shit. Okay, event tag. Pygame not event. Probably like mouse button down or something. Mouse, no. Mouse, no. I'm gonna crash out. Mouse click. Yeah, let's go back to mouse click. There we go. Pygame that mouse. The shit, wait. I'm not looking for a mouse wheel though. I'm looking for like on click or something like that. Ooh. Okay, wait. Pygame no mouse button down. There we go. Okay. For event in events, if event that type equals that. What do we want to do? We want to print cursor position Pygame not mouse at get pause. And then print that, and then we can kind of figure it out from there. Because we are smart coders. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I probably want to divide by 10. So let's just do an add block. Pygame not mouse get or I think that's what it was. Yeah. Okay. Let's have an add. Def add underscore block function of a tuple, which is an x and a y. And then what we want to do is we also want to pass size. So probably size. Size here, and then we want to do block size. Okay. So now we do probably rel x equals the x divided by size, and then an int cast of that. And then same thing for rel y, so rel y equals int cast of y divided by the size. Function x is not defined. Sublist parameters are not available. Okay, fine. What is get position return? Tuple of x and y. So, okay. Let's do pause 0 then. Pause 1, and then this will be pause. Alright. Relative y and relative x, and then block underscore array equals the relative y and the relative x. So rel y, rel x equals true. Should add it. I don't know if it will, because I can't code. Alright, let's really click in that box there. Alright, so that's good. We got fallen sand. Oh, it's broken. Okay. Dude, I don't think that spawns where I want it to spawn. Okay. Where's this spawn? Maybe it does. Okay. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So since it's inverted, if I click down here, it's gonna spawn higher because I couldn't actually figure it out. So I just invert it. So what I just want to do is I just want to do probably whatever the size parameters are. So probably this, right? I want to take this and I just want to fucking arlen x equals that, and then arlen y equals that, but then the height version, and then I think I just actually want to subtract them, so arlen y minus, and then arlen x minus. Dude, I couldn't even like fucking tell. That's crazy work. Oh yeah, so I actually don't want to do this because I only ever inverted the y, which I guess is smart, but yeah, there we go. Okay, so now it spawns where I actually click. Last thing to do is if event type mouse button down, and I probably just want to like do this, but only if like something's true. So I want to be able to hold it basically. So if mouse down. Let's just do if mouse down. Yeah. Then we'll do this. Okay, X there. Mouse down equals true. And then just right before this, we don't even need this line anymore. Mouse down equals false. And then if event type, I'm gonna assume if event.type equals Pygame, mouse button up, mouse down equals false. And then do I check to see what I'm clicking? No, but who gives a fuck? There we go. We made fallen sand. It's beautiful. It's going to be really inefficient if you hold that for any more than 10 seconds. But there you go. That's fallen sand in an hour. So there you go. Probably going to have to edit this down. That'll be like a 20 minute, it's going to be like a 20-minute YouTube video of me fucking up making sand. To be fair, I haven't used a Python Pygame in a while. So, you know. No, it's actually pretty happy with that. It's actually pretty good. No, it's not going to throw any errors if I do this. Because it's just the void, I guess. Yeah. No, I actually like that a lot. That's pretty cool. Oh. This index out of range. Should probably... what did it even do there? Well, I could just try. I could just throw it in a try. And then it's just, it's probably that I'm holding it and I went like outside of the window. Something like that, probably. Okay, and then, oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, so it's definitely that. If you go outside the window, it'll still register, I guess. Okay, cool. That's it. Alright, guys. First video back. Kind of a disaster, but, you know, probably gonna make more. And that's it. See ya.